All right. Hello, everyone. We're going to review point slope today, um, which is what you learned about in Mr. Lavargic's class. Point slope, guys, is y minus y1 equals m times x minus, I apologize, wrote it wrong, said it right, x minus x1. Okay? So that's point slope formula. Guys, when do you use point slope formula? Well, when you have a point, an x and y point, so like x1, y1, a point, and a slope. Okay? And you're just going to substitute x1, y1, and m into the formula. So it's going to be y minus, because anytime you substitute, you need to use parentheses. So y minus -4 equals m2 times x minus x1. What is x1? x1 is -4. Okay, so quite a few parentheses there. We're substituting three things. Okay, but we can simplify it. So the double negatives there. This is why we use parentheses. We can see our double negatives simplify there. Y plus 4. It's the 2, no, nothing to simplify there. Then this becomes x plus 4. Okay, so this is the formula of the line in point slope form. Okay. From here, they want us to write it in slope intercept. So we got to solve for y, or get y by itself. Guys, the first thing we can do is simplify those parentheses. We use the distributive property there, so that's what we'll do. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. The left side, we got y plus 4. Okay, now we'll subtract 4. We got y equals 2x. 8 minus 4 is 4. So that is our equation in slope intercept form. Okay. Guys, I kind of stole my room there for number 2, so let's just go on down to number 3. Number 2, guys, it has a fraction. So does number 3, so I think it's fair. They're very similar. In fact, you guys could do 2 as a good practice maybe after watching 3 here. So number 3, we've got our point, our x1, y1, and we've got our slope, 8/5. Okay, guys, a slope that's a fraction, guys, that's common. We've seen that here in chapter 6, so we should learn how to deal with that when we have to use point slope form or write the equation of the line. So guys, it's going to be y minus y1. Well, y1's -5 equals m. Guys, that parenthesis, you're going to see that the parenthesis here, not hugely, but it's just going to simplify to 8/5, guys. So then it's going to be x minus x1 is -5. Okay, well, double negative, so y plus 5 equals 8/5 x plus 5. Getting rid of some of our parentheses there. Those become pluses. All right, now we've got to distribute our 8/5. Well, 8/5 times x, guys, that's just 8/5 x plus, let's put a plus sign, plus, well, what is, let's get a little room over here. What is 8/5 times 5? Okay, guys, a couple ways to think of this. You could think of it as 5 over 1. Those cancel, it becomes 8. All right, you can also you can do this problem this way. 8 times 5 is 40, so this would be 40 over 5, which is 8. Okay, so that part just simplifies to 8. All right, now we've got to subtract our 5 to get y by itself. Got y equals 8/5 x 8 minus 5 is positive 3. 8/5 x plus 3. All right, guys, I'll guide you through one more here. We've got a point, x1, y1. We've got a slope of negative 2. Yeah, good to see one with a slope, a negative slope. So this would be y minus y1, negative 3, equals our slope, negative 2, times x minus x1 is just 1. All right, guys, simplify those first sets of parentheses. So y plus 3 equals negative 2x minus 1. That's our point slope. Now we distribute. Negative 2 times negative 1, that's going to be a positive 2. Subtract our 3. Negative 2x minus 1. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I know that was a pretty quick review. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, all right? Everyone have a wonderful afternoon.